Avoid these 10 foods if you want to be healthy. Most people underestimate the importance of a healthy meal and might not be aware that all the energy needed to stay active, as well as the nutrients you require for growth and repair, can be derived from a well-balanced diet. A healthy diet typically includes nutrient-dense foods from all of the major food groups, including lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables of many colors. Trans fats, added salt, and sugar-containing meals should be swapped out for more nutrient-dense alternatives as part of healthy eating practices. In today's video, we will be discussing the 10 foods to avoid if you want to be healthy. If you're wondering if your favorite meal made it to the list, you'll have to stick around till the end of the video to find out. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. A nutritious diet has several advantages such as strengthening bones, defending the heart, preventing sickness, and elevating mood, while on the other hand, unhealthy foods have a handful of disadvantages including being overweight or obese, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, stroke, and a few more. At the top of the list of food to avoid if you want to be healthy is 1. Ice cream. We all love a few scoops served on a hot day. This protein-abundant snack excites us at first sight, but is peaking high in calories and can be detrimental to the health in the long run. Health professionals have advised people with heart disease and high blood pressure to stay away from ice cream because just one scoop can trigger a hike in blood sugar levels. Ice cream is also not healthy for those who intend to watch their weight. 2. Vegetable shortening. Your cakes and pastries may be more negatively affected by vegetable shortening than positively. That is because vegetable shortening contains hydrogenated oils, which are artificial fats created by adding a hydrogen molecule to vegetable oils to make them solid at room temperature. Regular consumption of hydrogenated oils can raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol, which increases your risk of developing heart disease. 3. Frozen food. Hazardous chemicals like sodium are added to frozen dinners to extend their shelf life. This prevents the food from spoiling too quickly. Additionally, throughout the processing, a number of crucial vitamins are lost. Most frozen food must be deep-fried before consumption. Given all the factors, eating frozen food is not a wise decision for living healthily. 4. Sugary drinks. One of the worst things you can do to your body is to drink beverages with added sugar, especially aerated beverages. They include a lot of unhealthy calories, and since the brain does not recognize sugar calories as food, they repeatedly prompt you to eat. This can quickly render you physically unfit. Completely stop drinking sugary beverages. Each additional serving per day of sugary drink was linked with a 10% increased higher risk of cardiovascular disease-related death. 5. Pastries, cookies, and cake. You may already be aware that pastries, cakes, and cookies are unhealthy. The ingredients in baked products are higher in trans fats, refined wheat, and sugar will quickly cause you to gain weight. These may also give you a constant sense of laziness. These are incredibly high in calories and have no nutritional value. Eating pastries, cookies, and cakes are not healthy. 6. Salami. Because it is considered cured beef, this popular lunch sandwich meat has more disadvantages than advantages. Cured meats have quite a number of severe side effects, such as heart disease and hypertension. Salami contains sodium nitrites, which can transform into toxic inflammatory substances that can be harmful to your health. It contains several important nutrients. It's also processed, high in sodium, and more susceptible to contamination with foodborne pathogens. 7. Junk foods. Junk foods, including French fries, potato chips, and other deep-fried goods, are unhealthy since they are rich in calories and have no nutritional value. Junk foods also contain acrylamides and other carcinogenic ingredients, which will not only make you ill, but may also hasten the development of certain diseases. Eating junk food on a regular basis can lead to an increased risk of obesity and chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and some cancers. 8. Juice cocktail. Don't be misled by the word juice. A cocktail refers to a mixture of juice and additional sugar. This is pointless and increases your daily calorie intake. juice drink, juice cocktail, or juice-flavored beverage. This is because the majority of these items have very little actual juice in them. Water and some kinds of sugar are added, such as high fructose corn syrup is often the key ingredient in them. 9. Margarine. You can think that you are choosing the healthier alternative when you choose margarine over butter. Because of the partially hydrogenated oils, which include trans fat, the riskiest fat imaginable, natural butter is substantially superior in terms of minor attributes. But if you use more virgin olive oil or canola oil when cooking rather than margarine or butter, you'll obtain healthy fat. Contained trans fat, which raises LDL or bad cholesterol, lower HDL, known as good cholesterol, and makes blood platelets stickier, increasing heart disease risk. Margarine containing hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils contains trans fats and should be avoided. 10. Instant noodles. Instant noodles have a very high sodium content and also include monosodium glutamate, MSG, which has its own set of health issues. It is a flavor enhancer that is frequently used in cooking in many eateries. Your body system will not benefit from eating instant noodles. The majority of quick noodles are low in calories but high in protein and fiber. They are also known for their high sodium, fat, and carbohydrate content. Instant noodles can provide you with some micronutrients, but they are deficient in essential vitamins like A, C, B12, and others. And it's a wrap, guys. Those are the 10 foods to stay away from if you want to be healthy. Feel free to share your thoughts on other unhealthy food with us in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video.